Octafx view. So today we're going to review another broker. It's named Octafx and it's been founded in 2011. So this broker is well known with its low spread on currency pairs by up to 40 points. So let's see what's in this broker. Deposit methods, payments options, negative balance protections, account types, currency pairs trading, CFD trading, all of these we're gonna cover in this review. So let's start by the deposit and withdrawal. So here we can see the payments methods. There is only three payment methods, which are Skrill, Bitcoin, and Neteller. And if you can see, there is an instant execution of deposit, and for Bitcoin there is 3 to 30 minutes, and for the withdrawal it takes 1 to 3 hours to approve the withdrawal. It's up to 3 minutes for Bitcoin and 5 minutes to transfer the funds for Skrill and Neteller. Also, the commissions are free, either withdrawal or deposits. So the minimum deposits start from $15 for each Skrill and 15 euro per for Neteller. Let's see the trading platforms. As usual, you can find the MetaTrader 4 software that you can download here from the website of Octafx. Also, there is the web platform for MetaTrader 4. There is the desktop platform that you can download here. There is the Android version of MT4, and there is the iOS MetaTrader 4 to use on your iPhone or your iPad. And same goes for MetaTrader 5. In MetaTrader 5 you can find where the web platform version. Also you can use the desktop, download it here, the Android version and the iOS version. And there is Trader, of course. There is some promotions on Octafx. There is a 50% deposit bonus, there is static program, there is auto chartist. This is the 50% bonus on three type of accounts. There is a micro account, there is the pro account, and there is the ECN account. As you can also participate in contests like demo contest in the champion demo contest. As you can see here, a duration of 4 weeks. It's a month of a month is the duration of this contest. Withdrawable prizes from $1,000 to $18. All you have to do to join this round is to sign up on Octafx and open a new champion contest account, download your MT4 trading platform, or use the browser version. Wait until 8 June and start trading on MT4 using contest. And you can see here some achievements of traders and the rank of some traders. Worldwide rank. There is a Trader weekly demo contest also. So that being said, guys, you can copy trade if you like to copy trade a trader, or you can become a master trader to make your trades and people can copy you. The best thing about this broker that it has some analysis and education materials and tools, as you can use some tools like trading calculator, profit calculator, live codes, or monitoring. There is analytics, market information, economic calendar, forex news, interest rates, holiday calendar, and all that sort of stuff. And there is the education part where you can know about forex basis, video tutorials, instruction, and glossary. This is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on another review with another broker, of course, on the next time.